over 20 years, we have been a trusted partner for manufacturing companies, helping them grow profitably and sustainably.
Our team, we are passionate about manufacturing. Every one of us understands your challenges and operations from the inside out.
What sets us apart? We solve complex business challenges with solutions that are tailored for our clients. We approach each client with mindset of humility, respect, and curiosity.
Through this, we develop a deep understanding of our clients' business challenges, then apply best practices to chart a roadmap to success.
ESPI delivers high return on investment. We understand and deliver on the trust we earn from our clients. We deliver excellent business solutions.
ESPI was integral in helping us understand what our business needs were so that we could get everybody on the same page, looking at the same data at the same time. ESPI comes in wanting to understand your process and works with you to better define it and streamline it for the future.
Our purpose is simple: help companies thrive. We walk with you every step of the way, empowering your team, applying best practices, and driving continuous improvement.
We've trusted ESPI with a number of high-level projects. One of the bigger projects that really changed our business was we engaged them to help us with our S&OP process, our sales and operations planning process. Most recently, we've started the implementation of a manufacturing execution system. I think it's the relationships, it's the people, it's the way they understand. I'd highly recommend ESPI to anyone who has a manufacturing business. I think their knowledge in the manufacturing space is first rate.
Over 300 businesses have trusted ESPI in their pursuit of growth and profitability. Visit us today on our website or contact us to get started.